Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about a person aged 35 years is having firm belief about infidelity involving the spouse. He never allows her to go out of the house and he locks her in the house while going to the office. In spite of all this, he is persistently suspicious about the character of his wife. So this is a diagnosis of here the patient has the belief of infidelity. So this is delusion of infidelity, which is also called as Othello's syndrome, where he has a doubt on his wife that she might be unfaithful to him. Thank you and thank you for watching.